What's up everybody, I'm Alex and in this video I'm going to show you the anti-RGB that I built. The thing that we have here, hardware-wise, we're starting with this because after this I'll play you the montage so you can see the whole assembly of it. I'm using a Ryzen 5 3600 because it is a pretty good CPU for the buck actually, and for the motherboard that we have tested previously. We have built many configurations with these motherboards. This is the SteelLegend B450 from ASRock, a pretty solid board that does the job well. For the CPU cooler I have chosen the Arctic Freezer ESport Duo. This is the new color option. This is white and gray, and actually it looks pretty good in the UV system. So for the GPU I decided to go on with an MSI Gaming X Trio, but the Gaming X Trio was not available at the moment and I had to take the Aorus. This is an RTX 2070 Super. Again, great GPU with really nice RGB that I'm actually going to turn off because this system is anti-RGB. For the memory I'm using Kingston HyperX Fury 3200 MHz 2x8 GB, so this is enough for this system and for entry gaming, as you can upgrade the memory later. For the power supply, I'm always saying do not cheap out on power supplies because you can screw up your whole system with a cheap power supply. That's why we're using a SuperFlower. This is the Leadex III 750 watts with 80 plus gold, and on 50% it actually has 90 plus efficiency. So if you're not familiar with SuperFlower, I have to say that they are a very big OEM. They're making power supplies for EVGA also, and they're the brand actually that requested the platinum and the titanium certifications so they can certificate their power supplies. They are so efficient. And before we go to the montage, the few things that I have to say is that we're using a Fractal design Meshify C, one of the best cases for airflow, as the whole front panel is mesh and you can actually populate more fans in it so it can deliver a better airflow. In this case we are using it with the pre-installed 2 fans that are coming with the case. I'm also using some cable extensions. These are Gelid Solutions cable extensions, and to be honest, the bad thing is that there weren't any cable comps for the GPU cables, and that's why it's so spaghetti right there. But don't worry, it will be fixed when the cable comps arrive. They just didn't manage to arrive at time. Last but not least, 1 TB Seagate Barracuda and 512 GB NVMe storage from AData. And actually I'm staying in the BIOS because of the NVMe. This system is not working with this NVMe, and we found it the harder way. That's why I'll be waiting 1 more day so I can go to the store and get another NVMe and swap this one out. Enjoy the montage and write down below in the comments if you like it or you don't like it, or you prefer an RGB instead of the UV lighting inside. All of the tests of this system will be available maybe next week or the week after this, because I'll have to thoroughly test it. I have to play many games on it and I have to test it in productivity so I can give you my full opinion of it and you can see the benchmarks. So thank you again for watching this video. If you like it, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can share the video so it can get to more people, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.